Hi, I am Jennie. I introduce Korean food. Today, my food is Suyuk. That is, su means water, yuk means meat. But it's a boiled pork. And it's a very traditional and very normal food in Korea. So first, let's get started. This boiled pork, we have many variety kind of way to cook suyuk. But just I representative way of suyuk. Okay? And first boiled water and make vegetable water first. So, yes. And boiled water. Here, these are ingredients of boiled pork. It's a spring onion and bay leaf and some garlics and whole black pepper. And this one is coffee powder. And this one is cooking wine and onions. And this one is chives or Chinese leek. We call Chinese leek. And in Korean, buchu. And this one is soju, you know. And this is soybean paste. It is shrimp, but it's a salted shrimp. And this meat. The first we make just the water boiled. And in here, we put some this leek and bay leaf and garlic and black pepper, and also the leek. Some people make boiled pork. In the beginning, they put the pork in the water before boiling. But I recommend first make boiled water and later you put the pork in the boiled water. Because it's not difficult. It's not hard food, but it takes a long time. So, make boiled water here. Now, look at this. It's boiling. And this time, I will put some more. This is the soybean paste. 1 teaspoonful of soybean paste. And here, this one is coffee powder. So, put coffee powder. You wash the lump of pork first and cut and put this boiling water. And first you put very high heat and boiling for 10 minutes. And after that, turn the heat to the medium heat. So, and then for about 20 minutes. So it takes about 40 or more times. So it's very easy, but just takes time. And this is soju. Okay, so just let it here to cook the pork. So I will make the side dish. When we eat boiled pork, we usually eat with kimchi or some salad. So today I prepare this Chinese leek, chives. So cut it maybe 5 centimeters long. And I will put onions. And this onion. So we need bowl. So I need a bowl here. Cut this Chinese leek and onion and put all together. Okay, now I will turn the medium heat to boil the pork. So it needs some more time. So here, this is a salad, onion salad actually, onion and this Chinese leek. Here, chili. Now, I'll make this onion salad. So cut the slices, onion and these chives and put here little 1 spoon, maybe 2 spoon of chili powder. And here, some plum syrup. And here, this one is soy sauce. 1 spoon, I think 1.5 spoon. And here, a little bit fishy sauce. It's actually the anchovy sauce. A little bit. And here, sesame oil. 2 spoon. Okay. And all mix it together. I think better to mix with the finger, with your hands. Okay. And here, the last, some sesame seeds. Okay. And mix. Okay, it's ready. So, it's just put it aside. And next, I will introduce some sauce for this pork. So when we serve the pork and some kimchi or this kind of salad, and we need some sauce for meat. So this is salted shrimp. And here I need this chili. So cut into pieces chili. It's spicy, so make little pieces. Okay. And also, this red chili. Okay. And this one is salted shrimp. And in here, this one is really salty. So here, put here. Cool. And put this one. And mix. And if you have some onions, then also it's okay to put this onion in the sauce. And make little pieces of onion. And put. And here we need some water. Okay, some water. And mix it. Okay. So, it's ready. So, when you test the pork is already cooked or not, so you use the chopsticks and pork this meat. When the pork is really cooked well, there's no blood here, but I think it's nearly cooked. Yes. It's, I think, ready to eat. Okay, so now it needs some more minutes. I think it's ready. Okay, put it here. Now I will. But actually, when you cut this pork, it's a little bit cooling down. And then cut the pork. It's make the shape is better. And I think need some more time. So leave it. You know this boiled pork, you first make some vegetable juice and boil and put the pork in the boiling water, and on the high heat you boil for about 10 minutes, and then after that you put this pork on the medium heat for 20 or 30 minutes, and then after that you put low heat for 10 minutes more. So, I think it's ready to cut. So, ready to serve. Actually, before the serve, you cooling down this pork. Okay? So, I will take it out. So, cooling it about 3 minutes or 5 minutes. And then it's easy to cut. here. Now I will try to cut. It's cooked well. Oh, this one is too big, so cut it half. Okay. Okay. Okay, ready? So inside here, middle of the plate, I will put this. And here's some, you remember sauce? So sauce is too big, this. So here, the salted shrimp sauce. Okay, it's ready. Okay, it's ready to eat boiled pork. So usually Korean people eat this one with the pork is very good with this salted shrimp sauce. And also this one is really good for health. And these days we need really think about our health. So because we boiled this pork and the greasy or some other things is take it out from the pork. And here, so make it this one and take care of you and keep your health. Bye. See you.